Sanibonani ninjani. Welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we're speaking about DJ Wallace Stock, who was killed in December in the Johannesburg inner city. DJ Wallace wabulawa ngoDecember dutshulwa emaphakathini eGoli edolobheni kwi-city ebizwa ngeZambezi, which was hijacked by illegal immigrants, and he was hired to do the security. After that, ngokusho kwembiko uDJ Wallace wayethola ama-threats from the tenants besho ukuthi njengoba sefikile zama ukwenza i-order nje bephazamisa umsebenzi wakhe kanjalo ke they were not happy about it. He was then threatened and then wahamba uyovula i-case, wavula ama-protection order, but ke unfortunately wagcina edutshuliwe. Akuphelanga isikhathi esiningi-ke ngoba kwathi-ke ngoJanuary kwase kuboshwa uVictor Majola wayesolwa ukuthi uyinkabi, but according to Victor Majola, he said he's not part of the killing of DJ Wallace. However, the girlfriend of Victor Majola ihlala eZambezi building, and uDJ Wallace wavulela intombi kaMajola i-case i-protection order ngoba yasimthreatenishile kakhulu, yasho ukuthi izombulala. Khathi eboshwa kuVictor Majola ke kwatholakala izithombe zaWallace kuyena, kwaphinda kwatholakala ne-car registration ka-DJ Wallace, wasetholakala nama-cellphone aya ku-10. Then-ke amaphoyisa aseyabhilivela ukuthi-ke there is a connection yakhe nokubulawa kuka-DJ Wallace, and also the fact ukuthi wayesetholwe sibalekile ngasekho eZambezi kanjalo nentombi yakhe. However, they released the girlfriend bethi-ke ayikho kuyihlanganisa nayo okubambekayo. Inkantolo yasisho kodwa ukuthi no, ababulali baka-DJ Wallace akamunye but maybe babili, and one of them who they suspect pulled the trigger had dreadlocks. Nangempela ke kutheke nje insukwini they have found a second suspect Armando Bacula, who is a 25-year-old Mozambican national, but again now he's facing charges of murder, conspiracy to commit murder, and aphinde ke angahambisani nomthetho wase South Africa wama illegal immigrant, because apparently Armando lo he is here illegal. Igama lakhe ke bathi he was arrested during a crime intelligence operation that led to police to the Marathon informal settlement in Ekurhuleni. Bese balekile ke uPacula ke eZambezi wahamba wayocasha Ekurhuleni, bathi ke uPacula njengoba i-appearishile izolo in court akazange sathatha nje isikhathi esiningi. He then decided ukuthi uzovele acule yena asho yonke information ngokubulawa kuka DJ Wallace, bathi ke uvele wakhuluma washo nje ukuthi cha, let me be honest, yes, I was part of the killing. Yebo ngangithunyiwe, yebo ngathenjiswa imali, abantu ababengithembisile they promised to pay me 25,000, but ke bagcina ke bengazange bamkhokhele u25,000, bagcina bemkhokhele u7,000. but ke uthi lo 7,000 ke ube esehamba ke waya eMozambique, and then when he got to Mozambique isangoma ke sibe sesimtshela ukuthi ke no, angeke bakwazi ukuthi bambophe njengoba sesimlaphile nje, bazokwazi ngabuyele South Africa. And they says the reason he came back to South Africa is because ukuthi he works as a zamazama la in South Africa, and njengoba kade ehleli lapha ya ehleli lapha eMozambique, eMozambique he was not able to make money, therefore he decided to come back azoqhubeka nomsebenzi wakhe ke wokuzokwenza adume ngakho ukuthi azoba illegal immigrant, aphinde ke ahambe igolide ngokungumthetho njengoba esebenza njengezamazama. Cala lakhe ke lebesehliswa ke and ube senqatshelwa ke nebhayili bangatshela ibhayili waseke etshela ukuthi-ke uzophinde appearishe ecourt. Uyavuma ukuthi abantu ababemthumile bamtshela ukuthi uzobulala umlungu, and ngempela-ke wasiyakwenza lokho. Uyakhala ukuthi he was only paid 7,000 with one of the people that he was parts with. Guys, I'm just so shocked. Impilo yomuntu, it is so easy. How do you kill a person for 7,000 rand? You take away a father of 3-year kids, teenagers, not even teenagers, because one is around 6, 15, 20, 15, 18. How do you take umphefumulo for 7,000 rand? Make it make sense, please. So anyway, but ke akufanele nala macala lawa asafuna njengamanje amacala o aka amacala o Senzo Meya, which is kind of difficult ukuthi abawa crack. DJ Warras, he is really fighting, and yet the person who's part of this is an illegal immigrant. Njobe seqalile ke sicula ke sezosho ukuthi ngempela the people who actually sent him were South Africans or they were not South Africans. Stay tuned for more stories.